What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you can see, we have Olive's car here yet again, but we're gonna do some cosmetic mods today. He just got new headlights, so they're really nice. He got them off eBay, but they're like LCI E90 headlight modeled with like updated DRL halos, and I think they're DTM because they're not the round ones. Yeah, he got the DTM headlights. Yeah, so I'm just gonna set you guys down, show you guys the headlights, and then we're gonna start with ripping apart the bumper, old headlights, and you know, the whole shebang. So without further ado, yeah.
Let's go.
No! Alright, so as you guys can see, he actually like messed up because he bought the all chromed ones instead of the ones with the blacked out housing, but they actually go pretty hard, so I think it's gonna look really good. And these are the same style halos that I'm getting for my headlights. These are the 3/4 cut DTM halos with the all chrome housing, everything, no amber, nothing, everything looks really good. So hopefully it works as good as it looks. But yeah, so originally we were gonna put him on the ramps, but most of his bumper is held on by zip ties, so I'm actually confident we can do this on the ground. But yeah, we're just gonna set everything up and then get started on this. Okay guys, my slave work has come to fruition. The headlight is on. It looks pretty good, obviously, compared to the really poopy halogen ones. It's looking really nice. Let's see how long they last. What, these are eBay headlights, right? What are the brand? Hello?
Huh?
What are the brand of the headlights?
eBay.
Okay. Okay, eBay branded from Taiwan. Thank you to the kids in Taiwan. But it looks really good. I had to make the exposure really low or else it's like overexposed. So, but yeah, at least he has halos now. That's cool. I'm gonna get started on the driver headlight and then hopefully reassemble everything before this storm happens, because the weather's funny out here. So yeah. Just finished the driver headlight. It looks really good. He is rubbing still. He's gonna go on a test drive to see how the light output is for the low beams, because it's not aligned properly for the driver's side. It like goes downward, so we have to figure out how to realign that, because these are eBay headlights and they don't come with instructions. So yeah, he's just gonna go on a test. He's going on a test drive, see how the light works. But yeah, we'll catch in a bit. Oh, look at this man's new headlights. It actually looks really good. Especially with like, oh, the halos are so like apparent, dude.
Alright guys, so we finished the headlights. They're actually pretty good. eBay headlights. I don't know what the actual brand of it is. I just know I got it off eBay. I intended to get the one with the black housing, but I accidentally bought the ones with the chrome housing. But I'm not really complaining because it kind of looks nice. I kind of like the way the chrome looks. And they're definitely better than the OEM ones, I'll say that. The halos look really nice. I think they're only like 300 bucks, which really isn't that bad. I think that there's not much to say other than it's better than OEM, in my opinion. Yeah, you guys should definitely get them if you have an E90 and you don't like your headlights. And it also doesn't have the amber lenses, so like when the lights are like when everything is off, like there's no amber, and I like that a lot because I don't like the amber look when the lights are off in the daytime. And yeah.
All right, it's daytime. I want to see these headlights turn on. I love that. Oh, dude, it looks so good without any amber. Dude. Oh.
This car is valid.
Oh my God, it's valid. All right, we're gonna shoot some rollers, just to see how like the headlights look while he's driving and whatnot, and cause I just want to make this video hit 10 minutes. So, what do you think about him so far? Like, you've been using it for like a week now, right?
Yeah, I can see the road now.
You can see the road now.
Yeah. So I'm about to cut right here and right here. 'Cause that's the only place it rubs. I don't really care about
So
the
you don't need
outside.
to cut this anymore?
Nah, cause I'm not that low. Like it hits it, but like it just slides on me, you know. So it's not even that bad. But I mean, it's only the temporary bumper, so it's not really that deep for real. And like my tires aren't getting sliced or anything, so that's the only thing I would even worry about. It just makes an annoying noise. Yeah, I'm gonna do that one for the other bumper.
All right, we're gonna shoot some rollers now. Hopefully it turns out well. Catch you guys on the road. Alright guys, so it's back like the next day after we shot these rollers. As you can see, his headlights look very clean, but we washed the car earlier and there's already like condensation inside, so I don't know, somehow water got inside, but it's probably eBay headlight things. Besides that, I just wanted to mention these headlights are only for the cars that came with the halogen headlights. So if you have the xenon headlights, you can't do this headlight retrofit. You need to find ones that are made for the xenons. But besides that, I'd say these are pretty worth it for 300 bucks. It definitely cleans up a halogen headlight car a lot. It looks a lot nicer now that it has like halos and the projector headlight beam. But yeah, besides that, we're probably gonna do this in the next video or whenever he finishes fixing up his M3 bumper. But I think he's gonna cut, yeah, I think he mentioned it in the earlier clip, he's gonna cut like these things instead of cutting down here, because it's rubbing so very terribly when we drive. Like, I personally, I hate that sound. It's like nails on a chalkboard for me, so it just sounds so bad. But yeah. Also, when we lowered his car after well, actually, I'm not gonna tell you guys that yet. That's a different video. But we did something to lower his car even more, and we accidentally snapped the ABS speed sensor cable, so we have to buy a new one. That's why, like, let me put the handbrake down. The yellow brake sign is on, ABS, traction control. Ignore the check engine light, it's pretty much not there. But all the brake lights are on, and just a Christmas tree dash is back up, so it's kind of really funny to look at every time he drives this car. I'm happy I don't have to look at this every day. But yeah, there's no like there's no codes on the dash for his new headlights, because it's just pretty much direct connection, and it comes with a resistor for the LEDs that are now installed in his halos. But I'm gonna use Carly to see if I can code Because for my car, I came with the xenon option. So I mean, you can see there, but those are the E92 headlights. So it came with the xenon option, and in Carly, you can code your halos or your angel eyes to be your daytime running lights. So I'm gonna see if that works for aftermarket headlights and for cars that didn't come with the OEM xenon option. So I mean, hopefully that works out. But yeah.
Top 10 out. The headlights are very good. I like the chrome on it, and yeah, we need to adjust them again because we adjusted it too high. And other than that, it should be okay. You should get them if you have a E90. I think they look really good. I like the chrome housing more than the black housing personally, but whatever you want. So peace out.
And don't forget, nothing is impossible. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.